Mount of Zion, the perfection of beauty, God shines forth. Psalm 50 verses 2. Do we have seafood lovers in the house? If we do, please make sure to raise your hand in the comment section, because our jollof rice is here. We have this mouth-watering shrimp jollof rice on the menu today, which made its way to the third episode of our jollof series for the year 2022. So if you love shrimps, if you love your seafood, please make sure you give me a thumbs up already, okay? Let's get started. And as always, I'm super glad to have you here once again. Let's get right into it. So to begin with, we have our jumbo shrimp, some oil, and we have some blended natural spices. I will show you exactly what went in as we go forward. Some curry powder, shrimp seasoning, jasmine rice to be precise, and I have some tomato puree, tomato paste, chopped onions, and I do have some mixed bell peppers which have all been chopped. So let's go right ahead and prepare our stew. So in my pot, I'll go ahead and add my oil and chopped onions. Once the onions fry for about a minute, I'll add in my tomato paste. Please, the exact quantity is always listed below in the description box, okay? So I'll fry that for about a minute, adding a teaspoon of curry powder, which is going to take away that sourness. I will cover it and allow it to cook on a low medium heat for about 2 minutes, and then go in with my natural blended spices. In here we have ginger, garlic, onions, and I also have yellow bell peppers together with its seed, and I also added a tablespoon each of fennel seed. I added Rosemary. 1 habanero pepper for that hot kick. I'll allow that to fry for 2 minutes and go in with my tomato puree, okay? If you have chopped tomatoes, it's fine as well. Go in with that and allow it to fry for about 10 minutes, okay? Don't disturb it. In the meantime, I'm going to get my shrimp prepped. I have cleaned this very well, and I'm going to go ahead and tap it dry and then add the seasoning. Go ahead and use any face seasoning of choice. Here I have some shrimp tablets, and I added some all-purpose seasoning. I drizzled about a teaspoonful of oil and then added everything together. But after adding it, I realized the color wasn't popping enough. So I added about a tablespoon of paprika powder. And once that got in, I really liked the outcome now. So it was go time. I went ahead to fry it on a medium heat on each side for about 3 minutes. So all the shrimps are done now, and I'm going to add everything together and just put it aside. I'm super excited because it had a little bit of stock to it, which is so amazing. So after 15 minutes of this stew frying, it looks so good and smells so good. We are almost done with it, but before that we have to season it a little bit with some shrimp seasoning, a bit of all-purpose seasoning, curry powder, and some mixed bell peppers. Use any color that you prefer. I love the green and the red ones a lot. Okay, it's going to bring out so many flavors to this. Cover it and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes, and then also taste for salt. If you think you need more, please go ahead and add. And once everything has been mixed well together, you just go ahead and cover it and allow it to do its final shimmering final sizzling and shimmering for just 3 minutes. While at it, go ahead and wash your rice. All right, washing your rice is key. We are going to go ahead and add our rice to the stew. Make sure everything is well incorporated by stirring thoroughly, and you go ahead and cover it. This is it. This is basically it. You know, or you see how saucy this rice is looking as at now. You don't need to add any more water. Okay, this is always my take on it, and I will always preach that on here. I also went ahead to add some bell peppers for even more extra flavor. I used the yellow and the red one this time, and season it with a little bit more of salt. Okay, I'll cover it for about 10 minutes later. You realize this stew has really evaporated and turned into that heat that we need to cook our rice with. It's perfect. Right now, stir it once more and cover it with your parchment paper. Make it cook on a low to medium heat for about 10 minutes. And 10 minutes later, voila! All that stew has really attached to every grain of rice we have in here. So good, so amazing. It is not perfectly well cooked yet, so we are going to add our shrimp at this point with a little bit of its stock. Oh my goodness, oh it is so good. Stir everything to combine and allow it to slowly cook once again for 5 minutes. All we have on our side is 5 minutes, and our jollof will be ready. And there you have it, family. Our jollof is ready now, and it was popping in color, which made me fall absolutely in love with the shrimp jollof rice. It was so good and smelled amazing. So it's now time for us to serve. Of course we have to do well to serve it and enjoy. It is so amazing, easy to make, and I really hope you give this a try. If you are allergic to seafood, do not worry at all. I do have tons of jollof rice recipes here. I'm listing few here, and everything will be listed below in the description box. Okay, we had some shrimp salad and some garden salad to pair with. It was so good. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. So yes, our famous black shito of Ghana had to be representing as well. I do have a shito recipe here. I think 2 recipes out here. I'm going to list it down below as well. That was it, family. It was so good. I really hope you enjoyed this and you're going to give this a try. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful and just so unique, just the way you are. See you in my next one.